Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Nothing's Perfect. The song is FOMO, the artist is LA, and the choreography is Will Baker, Kathy Lasine, and PJ. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674.
Yeah. 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 Damn. Alright, let's go. Pop that shit up, baby. Told you my favorite. You need this one thing. Tell me what. I can put you up on the latest. Tell me how I feel to be upgraded. Cause the last nigga had you jaded. Yeah. But I've been thinking different about it. I'm pulling up, I'm pulling out. I got a fan missing out. I might just take a different route. Yeah, but I've been thinking different about you. After all this time you've been around, we go crazy like a couple screws loose. But can't take it how you dish it out. What you said, no question. As long as there's a connection. You taught me a lesson. There's no such thing as perfection. It's living, not a weapon. It's more like protection. Not a good thing, that's a blessing. It's you crazy, I know. But I've been thinking different about it. Pulling up, I'm pulling out. I got a fan missing out. I might just take a different route. Yeah, but I've been thinking different about you. After all this time you've been around, we go crazy like a couple screws loose. But can't take it how you dish it out. Make the move right out the blue. It makes some time for you to send it's not. You make the call, I'm coming through. I'm room for two, I'm giving you this love. But you said, no question. As long as there's a connection. You told me a lesson. There's no such thing as perfection. No. I've been thinking different about it. Pulling up, I'm pulling out. I got a fan missing out. I might just take a different route. Yeah, but I've been thinking different about you. After all this time you've been around, we go crazy like a couple screws loose. But can't take it how you dish it out.
Was that cute or what? Nothing's perfect. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.